Welcome back to another video. So I bought the cheapest SS that I could find on Marketplace. This thing was absolutely beat. Had snapped engine mounts, oil leak from the rocker cover. What else? Roof lining was cooked with a home job. All the seats were cooked, they're all torn up, and we had the wrong steering wheel on there. The plastics were broken, all the door cards were fucked. So we ended up doing a lot of repairs to it. So pretty much replaced the whole interior. Got new door cards, new plastic trim, got the roof lining redone. Got a 3-inch exhaust system put on it. Replaced the engine mounts, fixed all the oil leaks, did a transmission service, and it came out really good. Here's a couple of clips.